Hey guys, today is just a quick video to go over a few things that you can do to get ready for a wedding day. Number one, make sure your equipment is ready to go. You want to make sure everything is clean, everything is in the bag, everything that you need. All the batteries are charged, and make sure you have extra batteries. If you have a spare camera body or lenses, make sure you have them with you. Make sure your memory cards are formatted and ready to go, and you also bring some extra memory cards with you. Number two, I make sure my timeline is updated and also ready to go. I have it on my phone as well as a sheet of paper that I refer to throughout the day on the wedding day. Number three, on the wedding day or even the day before, I like to load all the locations of where I'm going to be that day onto my phone ahead of time. It's a lot easier to already have it loaded on your phone instead of you trying to like sit there and spend a couple minutes trying to put it in your phone to be able to get to the location. You don't really have time to spare on a wedding day, and that definitely helps you out having everything already in there loaded and ready to go. Number four, make sure you bring water and some snacks throughout so you can have throughout the day. Weddings are a very long day. Sometimes they can range from 6 hours to sometimes 12 hours. My typical wedding day is about 8 to 9 hours, but you want to make sure you're hydrated and you're not going to have a lot of time to sit down and eat. So having a snack or a protein bar or whatever you want to bring with you, especially take advantage of the times when you're driving from one location to another to take a bite of something really quick. And it will definitely help you keep your energy up throughout the day. So this was a quick video, but I hope it was helpful. And if you guys have any questions or would like to share your own tips on how you get ready for a wedding day here in the comments, feel free to do so. I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll be talking to you later.